स्मिता सबरवाल IAS प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी महकमे सियाहत व सकाफत ने कहा है कि तेलंगाना 72वें मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबले के इनेकाद के लिए तैयार है। तेलंगाना 7 मई से 31 मई तक 72वें मिस वर्ल्ड फेस्टिवल की मेज़बानी करने जा रहा है। सबकी नज़रें तेलंगाना पर ही होंगी क्योंकि ये 120 ममालिक के शुरका का खैर मकदम करने की तैयारी कर रहा है। मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबले के इनेकाद का ऐलान जुमेरात को एक प्री इवेंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के जरिए किया गया, जो कि बेगमपेट टूरिज्म प्लाजा में मुनक्किद हुई थी। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आलमी नुमाइंदगान, वजीर सियाहत जूपल्ली कृष्णा राव व दीगर ने शिरकत की। इस मौके पर स्मिता सबरवाल प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी महकमे सियाहत व सकाफत ने कहा कि तेलंगाना 72वें मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबले के इनेकाद के लिए तैयार है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये फेस्टिवल तेलंगाना की सियाहत के लिए फैसला कुन होगा, जिससे मेहमान नवाजी, फनून लतीफ़ा और इक़्तिसादी ताउन के नए मौक़ों के दरवाजे खुलेंगे।
Telangana is all set to host the 72nd edition of the Miss World. We are truly excited with the opportunity of this strategic partnership. Let me tell you, since the media personalities from all over India, from Delhi, Mumbai, all parts of India have come today, and of course our very, very dear Telugu media is also present today. A warm welcome to all of you. So through you, I would like to tell the world a little bit about Telangana. In the sacred text, Telangana is known as Trilinga Desha. It is the sacred land between the three lingams, Kaleshwaram, Srisailam and Daksharamam. It is the home of the Telugu language, and over a period of time, it evolved into what they used to call Telinga Desha. And then finally in the 14th century, it is known as Telangana. So this is a brief history. We are more than 2,500 years old. We are today the most vibrant and the youngest state of our incredible India. And what has emerged today as Telangana is a statehood born out of the sacrifice and aspirations of generations of Telugu-speaking people. As we enter our 11th year, today we stand tall with accomplishments in every sector: robust infrastructure, excellent connectivity, safety and orderliness, a secure water and health and sanitation infrastructure. Known as the vaccine capital of the world, I dare say that in this very state of Telangana, anchored in the city of Hyderabad, we have been a lifesaver to the world during the difficult times of COVID. From the architectural wonder that is the World Heritage Site Ramappa Temple and the awe-inspiring 1,000-pillar temples in Warangal, we boast of engineering masterpieces such as the Yadagiri Gutta Temple, the Qutub Shahi tombs, Charminar, Golconda Fort, Medak Church. We offer something to every explorer from the world. In this month-long festival of beauty, we will immerse you in the unforgettable journey that is Telangana. The jewel in our crowns are the rich legacy of handlooms, Pochampalli, Narayanapet, Golabhama, Gadwal, fabrics and saris that are not just fit for Miss World and Queens, but also fabrics that everyday women wear and proudly wear as they work in their farmlands. For the wildlife enthusiasts, you will have the adventure of a lifetime at the Amarabad and Kawal Tiger Reserves. Stunning waterfalls.
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital National Award winner Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, German trained senior orthopedic surgeon and director, Mahir doctors Dr. Wasif Azam और Dr. Bharvi Chunduri, senior cardiologist और दिगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं। रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल। वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर।